I'm going to be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube in 4 seconds, probably under 4 seconds. So this is a extremely simple thing. I've seen it on a few other YouTube videos. I've done it myself. So simple. Now let me just set it up right here so you guys can see. It does works. It's literally like a hack. Hack. So as you can see, mixed cube, right? Now here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hold it. Actually, it doesn't even matter where you hold it. Okay, so we're gonna turn the top like that, and then the bottom like that. Okay. So you just keep repeating that till it solves. So let's see. Ready, go. But sometimes you have to like try to find out where it was. So like right here. Try in a different spot if it didn't work the first time. Boom. Look at that.